Researching credit card? Dwayne here with How to Build Credit TV. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Capital One credit card or the credit cards that Capital One offer. But before we get started, I have a quick Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV. This channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about Capital One credit cards. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hop on over to my laptop and show you guys the different credit cards that Capital One offers. And the reason why I'm doing Capital One is because that is the credit card company that I decided to go with when I was rebuilding my credit about 4 years ago. My credit score was about 518, and Capital One was one of the only credit cards that would give me a chance to kind of get credit with them and kind of get my foot back in the door. So Capital One kind of holds a special place for me, and there is a lot of great credit cards that they offer. So give me 1 second and I'll see you over on my laptop. All right, so here we are. I'm on my laptop. I'm gonna go ahead and just go to the Capital One website right now, just so you guys could kind of go through the process, I guess, if you're interested. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the credit cards. I'll click on compare all cards, and I'll just let it show all the cards. All right. Of course, there's different categories here. You guys could pick average credit, credit level, excellent credit level, rebuilding. But I'm just going to go ahead and go through all the cards that Capital One has to offer. So as you can see here, the first card up is the Venture One Rewards card. This is basically where you would get cash back, or not cash back, you would get miles towards travel, and you could redeem it by purchasing airline tickets and so on and so forth. This is pretty cool because they have a bonus where you get 20,000 bonus miles once you spend $1,000 on your purchases within the first 3 months. So that's cool. There's no annual fee. This is for credit level excellent, so you need an excellent credit level to get this. And then there's the Venture Rewards, where this one is you earn unlimited 2 times miles on every dollar spent. And basically, once again, these miles are going to be put towards where you can redeem for travel. This one does have an annual fee after the first year. So for the first year, it's $0 introductory fee, and then $95 thereafter. Once again, this one has the credit level is excellent. So that's that card if you're interested in that. Then there's the Capital One Platinum card. This card has no annual fee, and this is for average credit level. It's for average credit level. This one's pretty straightforward. It doesn't offer any kind of rewards. It's just a regular credit card, which if you're starting off, that's not bad. But there are credit cards that you can get where you would actually get cash back starting off, even if it's a secured card. Actually, I have the Discover It secured card, and that card offers cash back. So we'll just scroll down here to the next one. The next one is the Quicksilver One Rewards. This one, there's 2 different Quicksilver cards. This one has an annual fee of $39. Isn't too bad, but at least you're able to earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase. I actually have this card, but mine is not the one with the annual fee. It's the same card, but it just does not have an annual fee, and I'll show you guys that in a second. And the credit level on that one is average. Okay. The next card is the Saver card. This one's pretty new. I actually updated my Capital One secured card that I had gotten 4 years ago. I was not using it very often. I would use it like maybe once a month just to keep it active. But because I wasn't getting any kind of cash back, I wasn't using it. So what I did was I ended up giving them a call and asking them, could I get the Saver card instead? And so there is a sign-up bonus. When you spend $500 within the first 3 months, you get $150. Because I transferred my secured card to the Saver card, I was not able to get that initial sign-up bonus. And the reason why I transferred it was because I kept my same account number. I kept all the credit history that I have already accumulated with Capital One. So I didn't want to close that account. I just wanted to keep the account, and I had the exact same card number. and all that credit history. So this is a pretty cool card. There's 3% that you get on 3% cash back on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on all other purchases. So I use this card for when I buy food and when I buy groceries most of the times if I want to get major cash back on those items. The next one up here is the Quicksilver Rewards. Once again, this is the card that I was saying that I have. I have this card. This one is almost similar to the other one, the Quicksilver one. The only difference is there's no annual fee on this card, and you get a $150 when you spend $500 within the first 3 months. And what I like about Capital One is the money that you get, actually you could redeem it for like gift cards. You can use it as a statement credit. So what I did was when I got my cash back, I just went out and used my credit card, and then I, went ahead and credited the account. So I don't think you can transfer the money to your actual checking account. I wasn't able to do that. So that doesn't matter. I mean, as long as you're getting the cash back, and you can, like I said, you can credit your account. So that was pretty cool. I actually got a lot of cash back with Capital One in the beginning when I was kind of learning a little bit about cash back. So that was kind of like my first time getting cash back and getting some experience with that. The next card up is the Journey Student Rewards. This is a pretty cool card for students. There's no annual fee. You get 1% cash back on all purchases. It says pay on time to boost your cash back to a total of 1.25 for that month. So this one is for average credit limit as well. The next card on here is the Secured MasterCard. This one is for rebuilding your credit. This is the card that I got. This was the very first credit card that I got about 4 years ago when I was trying to rebuild my credit from a horrible disaster. My credit score was like 518. It was really bad. Now my credit score is actually over 700, so I'm doing pretty well. So this card is not bad. Of course, it has refundable deposit. You have to put down $49, $99, or $200, and your initial credit limit will be $200 right off the bat. Doesn't matter what the amount that you deposit is. If you deposit $49, your initial credit limit will be $200. And this card is pretty cool because after 5 months of making your payments on time, they will increase your credit limit automatically. So I did like that about this card. The next card is the Spark Cash Select. This is a business card, straightforward. You get a one-time $200 cash back when you spend $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months. There's no annual fee. This requires excellent credit. The next one's also a business card. This is a Spark Miles Select. Once again, these points are the points that you get back is going to be used to redeem towards travel. So if you're interested in that, and if you have a business, this is a great way to spend your money as you would normally buying stuff for your business and getting miles towards travels that you can redeem. So that's pretty cool. And then there's a Spark Cash. This one is unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase every day. That's pretty cool. This is also a business card. You earn a one-time $500 cash back once you spend $4,500 on purchases within the first 3 months. If you have a business, this card absolutely makes sense for you to do. It's easy to spend $4,500 within 3 months if you own a business, and you're going to get $500 cash back. That's incredible. I wish I had a business so I can get this card. I would totally get it. There's no annual fee for the first year, and then there is a $95 annual fee from there on. And the next one is Sparks Miles. I guess it's like the other one above, except you get unlimited 2 times miles per dollar spent. And when you spend $4,500 within the first 3 months, you get a 50,000 miles, 50,000 bonus miles, which equals $500 in travel. So that's, once again, if you have a business, this is a good card to get. And if you're traveling a lot, this is also a good card to get. You'll appreciate that. The next one is the Spark Classic. This is just a credit card for your business. Unlimited 1% cash back on everyday purchase. There's no annual fee. This one doesn't have as much bells and whistles as the other one, right? So that's pretty much all the cards that Capital One has to offer. I will see you guys back in just a minute. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please be sure to leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video with someone who you think that may think this is useful. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.